Hey everybody, ready to streamline your Canva designs? Let's take a quick look at how to group objects and text in Canva. Grouping elements together is incredibly easy and can streamline your design process. Here's how you do it. Start by selecting the elements you want to group. In the upper right corner, click the Group button. Alternatively, right-click your selection and choose the Group option from the menu. You can also use the shortcut command Ctrl+G to group elements quickly. Once grouped, these elements act as a single object. This means you can scale, rotate, and move them together seamlessly. You can still double-click on text to edit it within the group, but to adjust the text box sizes or make other detailed changes, you might need to ungroup, edit, and then regroup. Grouping objects is especially useful for keeping headers and subtitles aligned, arranging pictures with captions, or moving and resizing multiple elements simultaneously. By using grouping in Canva, you can ensure your designs are organized and easy to manage. This is how to group objects together in Canva. Happy designing!